You know what time it is. It's time for another shave. Freaking. And for today, I'm gonna be using the Never Alone 4. This is a project with within TRC, Ariana and Evans, J Mac from the Canadian Mafia, and Ken from the Vintage Head Shaver. It's a lime scented. It's really good. Really good. Same as yesterday. Another lime pour. And for the razor, I'm gonna be trying the Blackland titanium with the light plate and see how it goes. Yesterday I used the standard plate and I quite enjoy it. So since I got the light, I'm gonna be trying and see. And for the brush, Trotter Handcraft, the Great Wave pour. The knot is the Muhle STF plus probably extra dense. And I'm gonna be dry loading this one straight from the pack. We'll see how it goes. I don't usually do that, but I want to try it. I'll see how well it goes. So I'm just working the soap, the brush. Yeah, working the soap in the brush, dry, so it's getting in the bristles. Usually, people get wet the brush wet and then work it. But people started doing after Carlos mentioned it on live that you can dry load. And I'm one that I don't top load because I don't want to get water in my soaps. So let's see how it goes. I've been here for a while, so I think that should be good, I guess. We'll see. If not, I scoop a little bit and put it in a bowl. Getting the knot wet. One last drag. Squeeze the extra water. Get my water on my face. And let's see how it goes. A lot of water. Yeah, starting to work a lather. I love this scent. This is if I remember correctly, this is a lime and lavender with some other good stuff. Ariana and Evans do great soaps. I think this is the vegan base. I'm not sure. Does it says on the Yeah, I think this is a vegan because it doesn't have tallow. Looking good. Now, I can pretty much shave right now, but it's looking pretty thick. Pretty thick. Yeah. This nut is also pretty good, very smooth, not much backbone, very soft tips. Very good. Pretty it up for nothing, really. It doesn't make nothing. It's just making it pretty. That's all. Now, let's get the razor wet. Let's see. Yeah, I don't get much blade feel at all. Oh yeah. Yeah, I feel like I can fly with this one. With the standard play, I needed to be more careful and watch out. Still was good. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can fly with this one. Nice. So far so good. Haven't checked how efficient it is. Better leave it for the end of the shave. Second pass. Forgot to check slickness, but I'm pretty confident on Ariana and Evans. I know they are smooth. They are slick, so we'll see. It's shaving. No blood yet. Watch out for the lip. No blood yet. I might have overworked a little bit in this area, but no, nothing so far. Yeah, it's slick. Third pass. Now, I go both sides, sideways on my cheeks and neck, because I have hair growing both directions. Very smooth going across. Very nice. Yep. Overworked the area. Yep. It happens. It's not the end of the world. Also, I've been more aggressive with this plate. Just checking how far I can take it. Yeah, this is a hard spot to get to for me, but we'll see. Let's check. Yeah. Yeah, BBS. BBS, yeah. I was more aggressive with this one than the standard play, so it kind of makes sense. But I read that it was milder, like very inefficient for how much blade feed on. I didn't got much blade feed, to be honest. To me, it felt even more fairly comfortable. Only that I went overboard in my lid, but it's nothing pretty much. Let me clean the soap. Oh, this time it's gonna be terrible, but we'll see. I'm checking the microphone, and I have it on my chest. So sorry for the noise. I can always cut it out if not. Yeah, look at that. No. Nothing. Nothing left on the face. Well, I'm expecting a little bit of a burn because I kind of went a little bit hard with the plate. So, working the splash. But so far, it was a great shave. It was a really nice shave so far. I had to see. Wait. Oh, so good. Yeah. No burn. Huh. I was expecting burn. Huh. Yeah. Arena. A&E uses alcohol. Yeah. Yep. Alcohol. No burn. I'm surprised. Wow. Wow. I'm impressed. I really enjoyed that. Yeah, it's easier to shave with that one than the standard. The standard is obviously more aggressive. So I took my time with that one. But this one, yeah, I can feel that. I blew past everything. I overwork on my lip. But that's nothing No biggie. Wow. But yeah, wasn't expecting it to be that good. At least to me. And what blade did I put on it? I forgot the blade. I think it was a Gillette Silver Blue. Yeah, a Gillette Silver Blue. Wow, I'm in shock. But anyway, I'm gonna cut it off. Thank you for be here and be again here for another shave. And I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Have a good one.